everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, which I always say, I'm going to be taking out my 2-month-old braids. Because of quarantine, I have been absolutely super more lazy than normal, and I just haven't felt like dealing with my hair, but I look crazy both in person and in this video, so I have decided to finally take them out, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how exactly I do that. So all you're gonna need is a comb, a scrunchie, and some scissors. And I'm going to show you how I do my hair. It's not really rocket science because everybody knows you just unbraid, but I do it in a specific way. So here it is. I just check how long my hair is with the braid before doing a cut, and then I just go in and cut, praying that I don't cut my own hair. And I just keep going all around my head until I make a super cute and stylish bob. And as you can see, I am super happy with the results. I was actually like I guess I was very shocked because I never really wore short braids before, but I think that it came out really pretty, and I might actually wear my hair like this one day. But then of course I got a reality check and I was like, what in the world? It's completely uneven, and that is why you guys do not cut your own hair at home. But this is just my braids, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, so after doing a few more cuts and showing you guys the back, we're gonna start sectioning the hair off. And I like to section the back first and work my way up. Now the reason I section my hair is because I want to make sure I get out all the dirt and all of the tangles when I am taking out each braid, and in order to do that I have to go piece by piece. So I just start with the back and work my way up. So I'm going to take one piece of hair and I start unraveling it all the way up. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you're just going to do this to one braid at a time. Okay, now the important part is when you take that braid out, make sure not to tug on your hair too much because you could lose a lot of hair, but you're going to just use that piece that you just took out, and you want to make sure to take out all the shed hair and all the dirt that is kept at the top, because that shed hair and that dirt is going to make your hair matted and very tangled if you don't take it out before you wash. So you're just going to take your comb and you're going to start combing from the bottom up. And just keep doing that until you complete the entire section. And I thought it was super important to show you guys that I was watching Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends because it's currently on Hulu and you should be binge watching the entire thing. So yeah, go do that. But I've completed that section and you can see my hair is in a dire need of a haircut, but I can't go anywhere right now because of quarantine. But the point is that the top does not have any dirt and the hair is detangled, so it's going to make it super easy to wash your hair. And so just keep sectioning each part of your hair until you finish unraveling. Okay, so this is later on that day because I was super tired and I had to take a nap after I finished a couple sections of my hair. But now I'm back and I just have this front part left. And I wanted to show you guys how much hair growth I really had. Now, I know a lot of people say that protective stylists can be very good for your hair. Some say very bad, but for me, it's very good. It makes my hair grow a lot, and I always do it when I'm super lazy and don't want to do my hair. But you can see how much growth I have gotten from having this protective style for 2 months. And I wanted to show you guys me unraveling the last braid because it's just super satisfying to know that you're finally almost finished. And so after unraveling this braid, I comb it out and I put this whole section into one big section, and then I do my pre-wash, which I do have a video on that on my channel. If you want to check it out, it will be in the cards. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have success when taking out your braids and that your hair doesn't fall out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!